Ulit, ano yun?
Goodbye, teacher. Goodbye, classmate. See you to one day.
To Monday.
One day.
Ano one day? Monday.
One day nga eh. Kulit mo sobra.
Kulit mo pala eh.
Monday yun.
Monday nga yun eh.
Monday. Sabi mo Monday.
One day yun.
Paano ba sabi ni teacher?
Monday.
Oh, where did you live na lang?
Block 69, flat 1, sa Martin 1, sa City of Vista del Monte, Bulacan.
Oh.
Where's
When
that?
is your birthday?
March 5, 2020.
What is your name?
Marcosel! Listen now! We are on!
How old are you?
4!
What is your father's name?
Mario Casino!
Mother's name?
Mom...
Marian. What is your Lola's name? Lola's name.
Dasal mo si Lola?
No.
Ikaw?
Yes.
Si Lola?
Maricel?
Yung palangan niya.
Ba't di mo alam?
Yung kasi nisabi kanina eh. Wala akong alam ng Lolang name.
Maricel? Ayaw mo na sabihin eh.